Piggy's favorite time of day, dumb stunt time.
Oh, me dumb dog thing. Hand me dynamite to put in underpanties. Oh, gross slimy thing worried. Me not think this going to work out.
What to do now? Oh, this is going to be great.
Me going to fly like doggy bird into...
Oh, that it? Ah, nice.
Dog thing all hurting.
Ooh, this is not so funny.
Now let's see. An incredible number of bruises, a fall from an absurd height. Sounds like Howie! How can we fix you up this time?
Actually, Doc, this time we're here for my friend.
Piggy, fight!
Ah, my ears! Oh, the pain! Oh, my face!
Wait, there's something not quite right.
Oh, my moose caboose!
Normally, Piggy laughs when he sees someone in pain.
Yes, it's bad. Could we dim the lights? Thank you.
Very bad.
While Piggy's body is fine, I'm afraid his sense of humor has been seriously injured.
You can damage your sense of humor?
I'm afraid so. If his humor processors cannot be reactivated, his sense of humor will be lost forever!
Sweet shabibbity. That seems like a long time.
Don't be dumb. Piggy's laugh maker strong as ever. Piggy show you. I tell joke. What difference between dog thing and Piggy? Dog thing, not Piggy, huh? Why that no seem funny?
You still taste funny.
Wow, that's the fourth time that's happened today.
Piggy's cooking is really slipping.
Now that Piggy can't laugh at others, it's like he can't do anything right.
Here are your dirt tacos.
That wasn't so. Yeah, it tastes like feet.
So if we ever want to eat again...
We've got to fix him. Yeah, that one was worse.
If Piggy cannot laugh at misfortune of others, Piggy lose all joy.
Don't worry, we'll get you to laugh.
Howie!
I'm sorry, buddy. That was clearly an accident. Put her there.
Ow! Hey!
Wow, nothing. Hey, look over there! That's funny!
Nope, no funny.
Maybe you could just try to fake it.
Yes, Piggy forced laugh.
Make it go away!
Stop laughing!
It makes me sad!
If Piggy can't even fake laugh, Piggy doomed.
And if Piggy's doomed, how are we gonna eat, Howie? I'm getting hungry.
Just leave that to me, buddy. Time to pull out the heavy artillery. No, I meant... Ooh, okay, fire it!
Howie!
But only once.
Nicey!
So, you still hungry?
Yes?
Okay, time for my next plan. We'll just have to get used to eating things that aren't food.
What?
What kind of food isn't food?
I'm so glad you asked. Ta-da!
Thanks, Howie, but I think I'll pass.
Come on. For me? And for you?
Ah! Howie, what is that?
I don't know. I found it behind the dumpster. A wig, maybe?
Oh, no way!
Come on, Bunny. If you don't finish your wig, there's no soap for dessert.
How do you feel?
I think we'd better help Piggy.
If only there was someone we could call, a real professional who knows how to make folks laugh.
Wait! We have a top-level entertainer right here at the Banana Cabana!
What? You replaced Narwhal?
No, I meant Narwhal. He's hilarious! Ever see his impression of that really dumb guy he knows?
That hilarious impression is of you.
Oh. See? He's perfect!
Narwhal!
We need you to sing your funniest song to make Piggy laugh.
Fellas, babies, I don't do comedy. My music only evokes joy, awe, and envy. Mostly envy.
Now what?
I could not help hearing the words that you were saying.
Hey! What's that weird-looking drink you've got there?
It is a compound that connects the music center of the brain with the gastric venting system of the digestive tract.
What?
It would make anyone who drank some toot every time they tried to sing the word dance.
That'll make Piggy laugh for sure!
Well, better get out there and do what I do, shibbity-doo-wah! Is there anything I can't do amazingly?
You're also really good at drinking water.
The best! And hey, now that you mention it, I could use a refill.
Here you go!
Thanks, Howie.
Howie, no. Listen, I think we'll do.
Oh, you don't want that water. You want this totally normal water that hasn't been tampered with.
Not tampered with, eh? Sounds delicious. I'm back. And for my next song, any requests?
Do the dingo dance!
Really? Kinda weird, but okay. Hit it! When you do the dingo, you gotta take a chance. Do the dingo, let loose with your dance. Whoa! It ain't no happenstance that when you do the dance. So dance, dance, oh, so dance, dance, oh. Whoa!
Only complete Marooney would find this funny. It's no use. Piggy's sense of humor gone forever. Who laugh at Piggy?
I'm a hyena. It's what we do. Uh-oh. I'm about to be seriously injured by an angry chef.
If only they could bottle whatever this guy has running through him and give it to Piggy. But of course, that's impossible.
Not entirely.
Dr. Moose!
You came back for Piggy?
No, but about that theory, Octo. We could transplant some of Hyena's funny bone extract into Piggy.
Sounds painful.
Yes, and it's also extremely risky.
I'm willing to take that chance.
Do we have to?
Scalpel. Retractor. Extremely long and pointy suction thing.
I am part of a very risky medical procedure I never agreed to.
Wow, this is terrifying. Are you sure you want to go through with it?
No, Dog Thing talked Piggy into this.
Oh, right.
Done. Now, to inject this humor extract into Piggy, you've got to be very careful when handling such a precious whoopsie.
Whoa, funny juice! Ew!
And our only chance is gone.
That's it! Humor gone forever! His worst moment of Piggy's life.
What is that guy's problem?
We're doomed! The procedure was a failure! We'll never eat again!
He's right!
What are we gonna do?
I guess we have no choice. I'll do the cooking from now on.
What?
How hard can it be? What's this for?
What dumb dog thing doing?
I'll just whip us up a batch of cupcakes. Now, where are those pickles?
Oh, this not end good at all. Dog thing think he can cook like Piggy? It's ridiculous.
Was that
Uh-oh.
Dog thing are blown up because dog thing's so dumb.
Piggy's got
studying how to prepare real food.
That's the Piggy I know. May I interest you in a pickle cupcake flambe?
That tasted worse than the moldy shoelace.